Well, this is a new furnace in the basement. Took 4 days to put it in, rounding up all the parts and everything. Make the stand for it, plenum in it, run the gas lines, electric, and all the vent work for it. I had to tap into the main gas line. I put vents on 3 sides of the plenum. Filters on the top. Got expanded metal on it so the cats can't get into it. Furnace is made by Goodman. It's 93% efficient. It puts out a lot of condensate, so I had to have a drain line for it. That goes into the sump pit. Then there's one duct where I branched off the back side of the plenum to under the steps to shoot air out in the other part of the room. This has made it to where the basement is really nice now. And what's neat is the other main furnace doesn't hardly run at all. So the heated basement, the air is really raising up into the rest of the house. Well, glad we did this. The basement furnace.